होम्योपैथी। कोविड में हम लोग ने देखा है होम्योपैथी किस तरह काम करती थी। होम्योपैथी स्लो? नो। If homeopathy was slow, we would have, all homeopaths must have treated thousands of patients who are on deathbed. How did that happen? Because homeopathy can take care of acute problems also.
Now I'm sure कि जो भी हमारे viewers एटलीस्ट उनको पता होगा कि हर चीज का इलाज सर्जरी नहीं होती है. There
is a solution. Take a opinion of a homeopath. Yeah. What exactly has caused it? If you get convinced the cause and the effects are matching, and you get that confidence from your homeopathic doctor, please go and take homeopathic medicines.
मेरा पर्सनल एग्जांपल है, जब मैं होम्योपैथी के पास गई थी, मेरी सिस्टर भी गई थी, हम दोनों को मेडिसिन मिली बॉटल्स में जो मीठी गोली की तरह थी, वो दोनों सेम दिख रही थी. ठीक है. सो डू यू गिव द सेम प्रिस्क्रिप्शन टू एवरीबॉडी या सबके अलग अलग कुछ होता है, उसमें कुछ अलग अलग मिनरल्स होते हैं?
डॉक्टर हैनमन जिन्होंने होम्योपैथी ढूंढा था, उन्होंने हमारे जो ऑर्गन एंड बुक है, इट इज कॉल्ड बाइबल ऑफ होम्योपैथी, उसमें मेंशन किया है क्या होम्योपैथी हैज टू बी जेंटल, rapid and permanent. So gentle means what? Gentle injection is gentle? No. Bitter medicine is gentle? No. Opening the mouth of the patient or a child and putting medicine is gentle? No. So what is gentle? Gentle is something which is palatable. So homeopathic medicines are made from lactose, or maybe they are known as sugar pills. The sugar pills or the lactose can absorb the medicinal powers and retain it for a longer time. So all pills look same, but the drops which are put on it are the medicines. So these sugar pills absorb that medicinal powers and keep it in self. When it is given to a child, he is also happy to take it. Anybody is happy to take it, which suffices the lines written by a master. It has to be gentle. So the medicines are all different.
Okay.
The pills become the medium and the medicine are put on top of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So जैसे हम कन्वेंशनल मेडिसिन लेने आते हैं मेडिकल शॉप पे, तो मिल जाती है इजीली. हमें पता है कि सर दर्द हो रहा है तो हम कोई डिस्प्रिन ले लेगा, कोई कॉम्बिफ्लिन, जो भी अपने ले लेते हैं. तो ऐसी कोई होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन भी है जो ओवर द काउंटर ले सकते हैं, विच आर लाइक बच्चे भी यूज कर सकते हैं या बड़े भी यूज कर सकते हैं?
ओवर द काउंटर, इफ यू आर टेकिंग ओनली वन ड्रग, वन मेडिसिन is fine, but homeopathy is not like specific. You have a headache, the whole person is suffering. Like I said before, आपका वो कारण क्या है, वो रीजन क्या है वो हेडेक के पीछे, वो जान के अगर आप होम्योपैथ के पास लोगे तो उसको बार बार तकलीफ नहीं होगी. लेकिन ओवर द काउंटर इज जस्ट लाइक टेकिंग अदर मेडिसिन स्पेसिफिकली फॉर दैट रीजन. द पेन और दैट स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम मे कम डाउन or may not come down, but that will just solve the problem for temporary time.
Right.
A homeopath once finds your case history, one, you will never ever get a headache. That is one thing. Or even if you get headache, that cause for which that medicine is given will immediately act and you get better. So when you go to a classical homeopath, he gives you a kit. ये हुआ तो ये लेना है, ये हुआ तो लेना है, which is always better to be considered rather than going on the counter and picking up medicine.
So smaller disease like headache also differs from person to person.
Yes. So fever also is different from person to person. Headache is also different from person to person. A child in fever gets irritated.
Yeah.
Other child can cling to the mother. The other child says, "Don't disturb me." Another child will, "Oh my God, I have fever, mummy, I should not die." Another child will have another reaction. So every individual is different. The reaction which it comes from the cause, and that has medicine.
Okay, nice. So